Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. In our previous class, we learned a lesson called the wind and the sun. So what did we learn in this lesson? In this lesson, we learned that the wind challenges sun that he can get a man's coat off. He can get a man's coat off. वो सन को चैलेंज करता है कौन? विंड. हवा सन को चैलेंज करती है कि वो जो एक आदमी उनके सामने से जाता रहता है उसका कोट वो निकलवा सकती है. So what does it do? The wind, it blows hard, but he does not get succeeded. Then sun does what? He shines harder. Sun क्या करता है? अपनी brightness बढ़ाता है, अपनी रोशनी बढ़ा देता है. Then this man does what? He gets his coat off. He removes his coat. क्यों? Because उससे ज़्यादा गर्मी होने लगती है, right? So this is how the sun wins. So now we are going to solve the exercise. Okay, we will start with reading is fun. So here are some questions that you need to write. You need to write the answers for these questions, like what did the wind do to get the man coats off? What did the sun do to get the man's coat off? Then who won in the end? Right? Then who said this to whom? Okay, so let's see the answers first and then we will solve this one. So these are the question answers. Reading is fun. ठीक है? What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? Wind ने मैन का मीन्स उस आदमी का कोट निकालने के लिए क्या किया? What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? The wind began to blow hard to get the man's coat off. What did he do? The wind began to blow hard. उसने क्या किया? He began to blow hard to get the man's coat off. वो ज़ोर ज़ोर से हवा चलाने लगा. What did the sun do to get the man's coat off? सन ने क्या किया उसका कोट निकालने के लिए? The sun shone hot to get the man's coat off. He shone hot. Shine means shine करना. Sun shone hot means उसने ज़्यादा धूप बढ़ा ली, अपनी चमक बढ़ा ली, अपनी रोशनी बढ़ा ली. Who won in the end? One means विन का पास्ट टेंस रहता है. वन मीन्स कौन जीता लास्ट में, एंड में? द सन वोन इन द एंड. हु सेड दिस टू होम? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु सेड दिस टू होम? जो कोटेशन मार्क में डायलॉग बॉक्स में जो सेंटेंस है वो किसने? हु मीन्स किसने, हु मीन्स किसको कहा, किसने किसको कहा. I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. ये किसने कहा? The above statement was said by the wind to the sun. I will let you try first. ये किसने कहा? The above statement was said by the sun to the wind. Then how cold it is. ये किसने कहा? The above statement was said by the man to himself. I give up. I cannot get his coat off. ये किसने कहा? मैं अभी छोड़ देता हूँ, मैं नहीं करता, मैं इसका कोट नहीं निकाल पाया. ये कौन कहता है? The above statement was said by the wind to the sun. I have won. The above statement is said by the sun to the wind. Easy, isn't it? So this you need to write in your notebook. ठीक है? So now we have solved this part. We have solved reading is fun part and now we are going to move to the let's think. ठीक है? So read it here. Rohan tries to snatch Geeta's new book from her. रोहन क्या करता है? गीता का जो नया बुक है उसे छीनने की कोशिश करता है. स्नैच मीन्स छीनना. what do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. So रोहन क्या कर रहा है? गीता की बुक छीन रहा है. So what do you think कि नीना को क्या करना चाहिए? अगर आप नीना की जगह रहते तो क्या करते? ठीक है. Sorry, it's not नीना, it's गीता. So Geeta runs away with her book. और Geeta fights with Rohan. Geeta talks to Rohan. Geeta cries in a corner. So I'll ask you this question in live class also. You need to answer. Just think, what should Geeta do? Suppose you are Geeta और आपका एक भाई है छोटा सा. अगर वो आपके हाथ से बुक खींच के लेके जाता है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? गीता रन्स अवे विथ हर बुक. क्या आप उस बुक को लेके भागेंगे? गीता फाइट्स विथ रोहन. क्या रोहन के साथ फाइट करेंगे? गीता टॉक्स टू रोहन. क्या रोहन के साथ बैठ के बात करेंगे कि उसको बुक क्यों चाहिए? और गीता क्राइज इन अ कॉर्नर. क्या आप जाके कॉर्नर में रो देंगे? सो थिंक अबाउट इट. आई थिंक द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज गीता टॉक्स टू रोहन. गीता talks to Rohan. Why? Because when someone is doing something bad to you, you should talk to them before fighting. Of course, अगर वो आपको बहुत आपके साथ बुरा करता है तो आपको फाइट करना चाहिए, लेकिन उससे पहले आपको बैठ के बात करनी चाहिए. आपको सोचना चाहिए कि वो इंसान ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है. Why is he behaving like that? Right? Now the next thing is, next page, go to next page, page number 49. ठीक है. So here you can say aloud. Say aloud means जोर से बोलो. Find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words. Story में कुछ rhyming words हैं इन words के लिए. So we need to find and write it. So these are, what are those? Let's see. First one is बन का सन. बन सन. फैन मैन. hold cold. sunny funny. beat, it's not beat, sorry, it's boat, coat, pot, hot. So read it again. Let's read it again. Bun, sun. Sun, bun. What are rhyming words? Words that sound similar, right? So bun, sun, bun. Next is fan, man, fan. Say again, fan, man, fan. Next is hold, cold, hold. Hold, cold, hold. Sunny, funny, sunny. Say sunny, funny, sunny. Boat, coat, boat. Say boat, coat, boat. Then pot, hot, pot. Pot, hot, pot. Okay. Now the next question is, see here. This is the next question. Here are some doing words in this story. Doing words means जो present में चल रहे हैं. For example, walking. She is walking means वो चल रही है. When you add ing, it means वो कार्य चल रहा है. Walking. She is walking means वो चल रही है. Smiling, वो स्माइल कर रही है, वो मुस्कुरा रही है. Blowing, the wind is blowing means हवा उड़ रही है, बह रही है, right? Pulling means pulling means खींचना. he is pulling a rope. वो एक रोप को खींच रहा है. So now find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing, and then write them here. तो story में भी doing words बहुत सारे हैं, so we need to find it and we need to write it. Let's see the answers. So these doing words are puffing, shining, wiping. Puffing, shining and wiping. First one is puffing. Then next one is shining. Then wiping. So these are the words that we can find in the story, and these are ing. These are doing words with ing. ठीक है. Next is, so we got answers for this: puffing, shining and blowing or wiping, right? So next question is, choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. यहाँ पे क्या है, एक बॉक्स है, बॉक्स में वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, हमें उन्हें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे डालना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन डे द विंड and the sun had a competition, right? They dash to make a man take off his coat. First the wind dashed hard, the man dashed his coat tightly around himself, then the sun dashed shining hard, the man dashed hot and he dashed off his coat. So what can be the words here? And the answer is, one day the wind and the sun had a what? Competition. They wanted to make a man take off his coat. उन्हें क्या चाहिए था, जो आदमी उनके सामने से जा रहा था उसका उन्हें कोट निकलवाना था. Then the wind blew hard. The man pulled his coat tightly around himself. Then the sun started shining hard. The man felt hot and he took off his coat. So these are the answers. So next is, look at the pair of the words with opposite meaning. So यहाँ पे कुछ pairs है. Pairs means जोड़ी. Hot का opposite क्या है? Cold. Cold का opposite hot. गरम ठंडा, ठंडा गरम. Then big small, बड़ा छोटा, छोटा बड़ा. Big small, small big. Opposite words. Strong weak, weak strong. Strong means बहुत ही strong, ताकतवान. Then weak means कमज़ोर, right? So here are some words. यहाँ पे कुछ words हैं, जैसे कि good, tall, black, hard. इसके opposite words लिखने हैं. And the answers are good, bad, bad, good, hard, soft, soft, hard. Good means अच्छा, bad means बुरा, hard means बहुत ही सख्त, बहुत ही hard, soft means मुलायम, tall means लंबा, short means छोटा, black means काला, white means सफ़ेद. So now next one is crossword fun. यहाँ पे क्या है, क्रॉसवर्ड. यहाँ पे कुछ हिंट है, जैसे कि दिस इज, दिस वन, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. सो व्हाट आर दिस? फर्स्ट हमें यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, सो वी नीड टू फिल. सो सी हियर, दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज अ कोट, राइट? सो ए, ओ और ए तो ऑलरेडी है, सो वी हैव रिटन हियर सी एंड टी. कोट का स्पेलिंग क्या है? COAT. देन हु इज़ दिस मैन? मैन का स्पेलिंग क्या है? MAN, राइट? सन का स्पेलिंग क्या है? SUN, राइट? देन विंड स्पेलिंग, विंड का क्या है? WIND, wind. So this is how you solve the exercise. So we will learn more about it in our live class. ठीक है? So what you need to do, you need to write it in your notebook. ठीक है? So see you in the next class. Till then, study well and take care.